My name is Sabuntu Adam. I'm doing my bachelor's in agricultural economics and I'm expected to graduate this June.
My name is Naul Oja. I'm currently pursuing a degree in agricultural economics and I'm final year student at Hawassa University.
My name is Tiwad Isa and I'm recently fourth year agribusiness and supply chain management student and I'm expecting my graduation after 3 months.
Motivation to participate in this MOBILISE project lie in my ambition. Since high school, especially when I was 11 and 12, grade 12, I had an ambition to establish a fruit farm. So when I came across this opportunity, I saw it as like a transformation between my knowledge and practical exposure.
So my motivation to participate in this project was cultural technology and the level of agriculture that is high and it's very automated.
I was motivated by a lot of things, but the major thing that motivates me is as I grow up in this country where agriculture is the backbone of the economy and we're not just doing hard in modernizing and advancing the technology, it just gave me or it just creates some interest in advancement of the agriculture.
Experience in this program is meeting so many people from different parts of the world, I
My
can
best
say.
experience so far is the time I spent in Tunisia, one of the company which I was working as an intern. So during my time in Tunisia, I learned a lot of things, technical skills, managing crops, and also how they control a lot of things from the workers, the managers, also the owners, especially Mr. Yop. I really thank him.
One of the things that I won't forget is I've got the chance to visit floriculture exhibition, which is this national floriculture exhibition. And I've got the chance to go there with my company supervisors and the owner of the company. And during that time, I've got a chance to just meet a lot of people from different parts of the Netherlands.
Okay, after graduating from my bachelor's, my plan is to work as a government employee.
I was thinking to continue my study abroad. That's my first choice, but I really need to learn farm management, which helped me in further.
Okay, my plan after graduation is to pursue my master's in a place where I can get a better education, in order to broaden my the knowledge that I have now.
The next batch of students, I have one advice that is they have to stay focused. They have to put their long-term goal in their mind and relate every situation, every skills and knowledge they get from this program to their long-term goal. So that helps them a lot. So stay focused and also stay conscious in every situation.
Okay, for the next part of the student, what I advise is they have to be very ready to get the maximum out of it. It's a different world. Here we have learned a lot of theoretical knowledge, and there if they just get a lot of practical knowledge, if they relate it both the weakness or the drawbacks in our country and what they learned there, they can contribute a lot. So they have to relate what they have learned there and the problem that you are facing nationally, so they can make an impact.